asked him, Anas sir, where you learn English grammar? So he said, Shaban sir, I hadn't learned any grammar from anyone. So I asked him, how is it possible, then how you are speaking so fluently English language? He said, Shaban, just uh, I was committed. I resolved and I decided, for the word that I will speak in English, whatever. Either I am speaking with my father, I will speaking with my mother, with my friends, with my colleague, with the society, I will speak in English. So for 1 year constantly, he spoke in English with whatever he met, with whomever he met, he spoke English language. So now he is speaking English so fluently. Many of us, I think, we are from madrasa background. We have spent 7 to 8 years in the madrasa. Still we are not unable to speak in English for 10 minutes constantly in front of any Arabian. Why? Because there are Arabic books and we are learning Arabic through Urdu language. We are learning Arabic through Urdu language. So there is different. Arabic should be taught, Arabic should be learned through Arabic only language. English should be taught only through English language. Then there will be no use of grammars. No grammars are necessary, some people say, but it's not compulsory. There is one person, Abhinandan sir from Kerala. Abhinandan, you can search in the YouTube. Abhinandan sir from Kerala. He is totally against grammars. When you say parts of speech, he will get angry. What, guys, you're talking about grammar? He will ask you in the child, have you learned Urdu grammar? When you are 5 years old, have you learned Urdu grammar? When you were 10 years, have you learned Urdu grammar? No. If you haven't learned Urdu grammar, why are you learning English grammars? Just clear your mind, set up your mind not to learn grammar. Learning grammars nowadays are some ways to learn to get money, to earn money. So there you will find some course, just come and join with us for 3 months, we'll teach you English, like that. Try, you will think, what I am think, you will also think that grammar is not necessary. Think what you are thinking, think in English. If you think in English, your English will improve. You're driving bike, okay, you are going to a school and you are thinking English, because you have to be interviewed by some people. You are thinking English, your English will improve. You are thinking in Arabic, your Arabic will improve. Whatever process you have in your mind, thinking process that process will improve. That is the funda, that's a secret. Today in today's class, you see, I have taught you English, okay, you have spoken in English, but as soon as the class is over, you will speak Hindi, Urdu, and you will think in Hindi, Urdu. So only 1 hour is not enough, Saifi. 1 hour is not enough for learning any language. If you have to learn any language, you have to think, only think. If you are unable to speak, just think.
Just think.
Yeah, thinking is enough.
Good point. I really appreciate your word.
Thank you. Inshallah.